Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing of these chairs. Okay, four chairs. This I purchased on the Flipkart for 3612 rupees, which are this is the exact product: AVRO Furniture Spider heavy duty durable stackable indoor and outdoor use chairs, plastic living room chairs, and pre-assembled. Let us check how exactly they look and what is the quality and everything. Okay, detailedly. Let me just remove this. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, this is the red color one. So heavy build plastic only. uh, Fine, not that great, but okay. Yeah. Okay, this cover was dried up. Fine. My first impression is they're looking like more of fiber, but it is mentioned like hard plastic only, and I need to check after some days use how about the painting or the getting the color fade and everything. I need to check once I use this at least for 6 months or so. Okay, yeah. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments.